Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to create Outlook account on an Android device. Okay, let's turn to the tutorial. First, please open your browser and then type outlook.live.com. After that, here you can click on create a free account and then enter your email and click next. After that, here you can enter your password. Okay, after finishing, you can type your name here. And then you can input your birth info. Okay, after that, here you can solve the puzzle. And then after solving the puzzle, and then your account has been created. Well, that's the tutorial on how to create Outlook account on an Android device. Don't forget to subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.